Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, numerous cloud-to-ground lightning strikes with that first batch of storms that came through late this morning. We've been in a bit of a lull, but a cool front is yet to approach the area. And until it passes through completely, we still have the risk, though just scattered, of some showers and thunderstorms. It's one of those deals where not everybody will catch one. But you can see some activity off to our west on the Doppler radar out towards upstate New York and coastal Connecticut. While I do expect these storms to weaken as they move essentially from west to east. Notice nothing locally across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, but later on this evening, one or two of these in a dying kind of a fashion will be coming through. And again, scattered, so not all spots will catch them. You can see more activity across coastal Connecticut at this time. I want to show you some viewer pictures. Kelly Cooper from Westport. This is when that line of storms came through around 11 o'clock this morning. And note the appearance of the clouds. And usually the thunderstorm or cloud structure can tell us a lot about how the thunderstorm is behaving. And this particular cloud structure right in here, we call it a shelf cloud, and it's usually created when very cool air from the top of the thunderstorm cloud rushes to the bottom of the ground and then it spreads out. That's usually an indication that the storm has a very strong wind. So when we see this on the leading edge of a thunderstorm, 9 times out of 10 there's usually some pretty strong wind associated with it, and that's why we did have some reports of at least some minor wind damage as those storms came through. Clouds and hazy sunshine in downtown Providence right now. The clouds are starting to take back over. Temps in the upper 70s. The dew point is still high, indicating that very humid atmosphere. South breeze at 12, humidity high at 82%. So an early evening quick thunderstorm in a few locations. Again, not as widespread as what we had this morning. And like the entire summer has been so far, still warmer than normal temperatures for this week. Even a few more chances for some showers and thunderstorms down the road. We'll show you that in the 7-day Futurecast. But temperatures now mid and upper 70s, 75 Newport, westerly at 77. Out in our western suburbs where the sun came out a little earlier, it's in the lower 80s. But here's that blue line that we're tracking, a cool front through upstate New York. It's acting like a spark or a trigger and setting off some of these showers and thunderstorms. As it draws closer this evening, we may catch an additional one before the front sweeps offshore just in time for tomorrow. So for this evening, keep an eye to the sky. And again, it's a not everyone getting one kind of a situation as temperatures drop through the upper 70s, humidity staying on the high side. Some early morning fog at sunrise. It burns off, becoming sunny, 73 early in the morning. By around 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, it's up to 82, and we should be in the mid to upper 80s tomorrow afternoon with some sunshine, a few fair weather clouds, nothing more than that. Along the south shore, slightly cooler with a sea breeze, temperatures lower 80s. Inland areas away from the ocean, somewhere between 85 and 87. Sunshine, some fair weather clouds. Interior Massachusetts, mid and upper 80s, low 80s along the Massachusetts coastline. Little Compton at 83. Bay forecast, north breeze turning southeast in the afternoon. That's the sea breeze. Visibility 1 to 3 miles at sunrise, improving beyond that. Early morning fog at the beaches, then some sunshine. Air temperature 78 to 82. There's a moderate risk of rip currents for tomorrow at the beaches. 7-day outlook, again, not bad for tomorrow. Scattered storms return on Wednesday at 87. Heating up on Thursday, with sunshine, 89. Next chance for showers and thunder coming late Friday into at least early Saturday. Hot on Saturday, up to 90. A little drier on Sunday with sunshine and a high temperature of 88. Keep an eye to the sky next roughly 2 to 3 hours for just a spot shower or thunderstorm. Pinpoint weather station on Cox Digital Channel 125. So lawns and gardens getting some much needed water, unfortunately at the expense of some strong thunder.
Absolutely. All right, thanks, Tony. More coverage you can count on coming up later tonight. New on Eyewitness News at 10. The oil is still leaking in the Gulf, but officials say they're not concerned. We'll explain why at 10. Then on Eyewitness News at 11 on WPRI 12, we'll update you on that worker who was injured by a lightning strike this afternoon when strong